stuff. There's a connectivity to it. In other words, Bigfoot, elongated skulls, the Fathom apparitions, abductions, UFOs, hybrid beings. There's a connectivity here. And I find it incredibly interesting that we're in this window of time. We've got technology, so we can really probe. Like, 50 years ago, there were no DNA testings. So when you went down and looked at the elongated skulls, well, you didn't know what you were looking at. You don't know where they came from. Our DNA testing proved, and I'll get to that a little bit later, that they were actually Middle Eastern and European. Folks, that rewrites history. It really does. It rewrites history, because we're not supposed to be there. So there's two paradigms concerning the UFO phenomenon. Is it extraterrestrial, or is it interdimensional? What is it really?